Are you ready to unleash your inner dragon? In this video, we're diving into the magical world of origami and showing you how to fold a magnificent paper dragon, step by step. No experience needed. Just bring your paper, patience, and imagination. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning how to fold a paper dragon using the ancient Japanese art of origami. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a fun craft to try, this tutorial is made just for you. All you need is one square piece of origami paper, any size, but I recommend 15 by 15 centimeters, a pair of scissors, a flat surface. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. First, place your origami paper colored side down. We'll start by folding the paper in half diagonally, both ways, and then in half vertically and horizontally. This creates a foundation grid. You'll hear me mention valley folds, folds that go down, and mountain folds, folds that go up. These are the building blocks of your dragon. Make sure your creases are sharp and precise. You can run a ruler or your fingernail along the fold to make it crisp. Alright, let's begin shaping our dragon. Step 1. Fold your paper into a bird base. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll guide you. Take your time with each step. This is where the magic happens. You're slowly bringing your dragon to life. Now let's give our dragon some personality. Fold the head with care to give it a fierce or friendly look. You can shape the wings by curling the edges slightly, or even give it horns or spikes if you like. Want to take it further? Use a pen or marker to draw scales, eyes, or even flames. And there you have it, your very own origami paper dragon. Isn't it amazing what you can create with just one piece of paper? If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun crafts and origami tutorials, and drop a comment showing us how your dragon turned out. Check out our playlist for more awesome paper creations, from paper cranes to origami dinosaurs.